1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hi guys, welcome to another Blender tutorial. Today I'm gonna build some procedural shader. If you are new, subscribe. I upload Blender tutorials. Let's go 100 subscribers. Yeah, I'm in Blender. I'm gonna select this cube by the left click X and delete. Shift A on the mesh. I'm gonna choose maybe sphere. And I'm gonna go right here to the shading tab. And I'm gonna select my sphere and create new material by clicking right here new. We're gonna need some nodes to create this shit, so follow those steps. Shift A, search for the textures coordinate, and Shift A on the search for the mapping. I'm gonna make this window bigger, and I'm gonna connect this UV to this vector right here, to this mapping. Wait guys. Okay, now Shift A, we're gonna need some math, so search for the math, and we must duplicate this math. So Shift D, duplicate, Shift D once again, duplicate. I think we need 4, so Shift D, duplicate once again. I'm gonna move this right here. We're gonna need some bump node, so search for the bump node and search for the vector math, and Shift A, of course, search for the separate. Wait guys, because my English now separate X, Y and Z. We must connect this shit, okay? So first grab this vector math and change this to scale, and we're gonna connect this mapping to this scale, yes, that we are creating. So mapping goes to the scale. The scale goes to this. Wait guys, because this is fucking mess. My life is a mess. My room is a mess too. And yeah, we're gonna need connect the scale to this separate X, Y and Z, because we're gonna separate the directions, of course, yes. Wait guys, I try to connect this fucking mouse. Fuck this shit. Now it's working. We must change those math nodes, okay. We're gonna need some too right here. Change this to the ping pong right here and right here, and we're gonna separate the direction X and Y, okay, this up and this direction. So separate the X on this ping pong and the Y on this ping pong. We almost done. So you must change this to math node to the smooth maximum. If you wanna choose smooth minimum, you're gonna have different result. And I'm gonna connect those two ping pongs, okay, to the smooth maximum, and I'm gonna change this to the greater than that and connect this smooth maximum to this greater than that, and of course smooth maximum goes to this height on the bump. And wait guys, I tried to clean up this mess. We must connect, of course, the bump to the normal, because we're gonna have some bump right here on the sphere, and this greater than that we're gonna connect to the alpha, okay. And if I'm gonna change the material to the metallic, and I'm gonna play around with this greater than that, and of course the scale and the smooth maximum, I'm gonna have some procedural shapes going on. This is the roundness, of course, the smooth maximum. Wait guys, I try to increase the scale. I'm gonna go maybe to this view. Wait guys, the ping pong is 0.5, it's good, okay, but I try to play around with this stuff, basically play around with this greater than that, and of course with the scale and this smooth maximum. As you can see, we come out with some procedural bullshit. Yes, we can create some kind of tiles or whatever, and we have this kind of bump too to give more three-dimensional look to this. Yes, and if I'm gonna, as you can see, you must basically play around with this grade and dot, and we have some procedural shader, and this is of course, like I said, this roundness. If I'm gonna change wait, yes, if I'm gonna increase the scale, of course this is the scale. The ping pong is about this direction, yes, as you can see, and this direction, another direction, because this is separation of this Y and Z. You get it, the idea. So yeah, this is the tutorial. You can of course play around with this shit. In the next tutorial we're gonna create a group node and we're gonna create a shader. So build this tree. See you on the next tutorial. Of course I'm gonna record some other tutorials, not just procedural bullshit stuff, okay? So stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.